Do you want to create clips from your videos? With FastPix, you can easily extract key moments from a video, whether for highlights, social media snippets, or repurposing content. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly go over how clipping works in FastPix. Clipping lets you take an existing video in FastPix and extract a shorter section from it without re-uploading the file. You'll need the media ID of the video you want to clip. And here's an important part. You must prepend FP media ID to the media ID in your request. You also need to define the start and end times of the clip. If you don't specify them, the default will be the full duration of the original video. Alright, now that we know the basics, let's create a clip. Now, in step 2, let's structure the request to create a video using URL. Get the access token ID and secret key from your dashboard and put in the request for basic authentication. Next step is simple. Structure the payload in the request. Here, define your URL as the media ID of your existing video uploaded to FastPix. Take the media ID and put in the URL prefixed with FP media ID. Now to create the clip, define the start time and end time, that is where the clip should start and end. Third step, once your payload is ready, fire off a post request to FastPix and we will handle the rest. This only takes a moment, and once it's done, you'll receive a response with the details of your newly created clip. Here you have your new media ID for the created clip, while the playback ID is what you'll use to stream or embed it in your application. You can also check in your dashboard and you will see a shorter clip of your video is created and is ready to be streamed and shared. That's all it takes. If you found this helpful, check out our docs for more details. See you in the next video.